Alright guys, welcome back to Raw Doing Stuff. Today we're going to make the easiest smoked macaroni and cheese that you've ever had, but it's also delicious. I'm going to show you how I do that. Alright guys, first thing you got to do, get you some water boiling. You need to go find you some of this anise, shells, and real aged cheddar, okay? And we're going to put this in here and let it boil. We're going to get our noodles ready, and then after that's done, we'll mix it up. I'll show you how I mix it up. Alright guys, so our mac and cheese, we got it all boiled up. We drained the water out of it. We're just going to follow the directions on the pan, on the box. We put 6 tablespoons of butter in there since we had 3 boxes. Put our cheesy powder in here. And then this is our secret ingredient. Instead of using milk, we're going to use some whipping cream in there. I'm just going to get this all mixed together, then I'll come back and show you what we do next. Alright, so we got her all mixed up. Put it in our foil pan. Now, 2 things here. First, I don't cook the noodles all the way, almost all the way, because they're going to cook a little bit more in the smoker. And the other thing is I put a little bit more whipping cream in there than what the recipe calls for, milk, because that's going to dry out too in the smoker a bit. Now we got some real bacon pieces. Now you cook your own bacon, but this is just going to make it easy. Just put however many you like in there. I'm going to mix that around like so. But we're doing this easy, so we're not cooking our own bacon. And we got a little bit of Monterey Jack cheese. We're going to put that on top. Just like so. Follow it up with a little bit of sharp cheddar. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put this on the smoker. It'll go on the smoker at 225 for about 45 minutes. Just to get a little smoke in there, melt this cheese. It'll be ready to go. Quick and easy side dish. Alright, so our smoker's up to 225. We're just going to set that in there. It's as easy as that. And let it roll for about a half hour, 45 minutes, and it'll be good to eat. That's the easiest mac and cheese that I've found to make that tastes as good as this does. Alright, we're going to check on our mac and cheese. Oh yeah, it's cooking good. It's all melded. We got to get this over and give it a taste. Alright, we're going to try this mac and cheese out. I've been bragging it up, so she better like it as much as I did. So get some of that bacon in there. For an easy, simple mac and cheese, guys.
That's good.
You can't beat it. Okay? It's really good.
Wow.
It's really simple. It just takes a few minutes to make. Good side dish. If you like what you see, Give us a like and a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.
That's good.
Yeah.